What's up, guys? So as you know, the fenders are at paint. See, she has naked shoulders. Naked shoulders. So while I'm waiting for that, I got a couple things I need to do. One of those things is change the oil. So if you're gonna change the oil in your 370Z, what you're gonna need is a few things. So you're gonna need, my camera work is bad, so you know, it is what it is. So first you're gonna need an oil pan, so something to drain your old oil in. Of course, a funnel if you're like me and you don't have steady hands. Now, you'll need 5 quarts of oil, but I recommend 6 just in case you need to add a little bit more. Of course, the oil filter, and then a 10mm socket right there. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to jack the car up and put it on the jack stands and then get up under it. All right, so depending on the type of undershroud, it's going to depend on what you're going to need to do to get to your oil pan. So I have a Z1 aluminum undershroud, so that means I have to take off these 2 bolts on the service panel here. Oops, apparently I'm going the wrong way. Boom. Service panel off. So we're just going to move that out of the way here. All right. Now, as you can see, on this side is where the drain plug is, right here. Now that's a little bigger than 10mm, so yeah, I'm gonna have to go get a larger one. So I'll be right back. Okay, so what you're going to need for the drain plug, which is right here, kind of dark, but right here. So you're gonna need a 14mm socket to get that out. And it's kind of dark under here, but right above that socket over here is where your oil filter is. So you can drain that and take your oil filter off. Of course, make sure you have your oil pan under there before you do that, because otherwise you'll get a big, huge mess. So this one is I think it's holds 20 quarts. The engine holds 5.2 quarts, I think. So yeah, just need something bigger than that. You can go with 10 quart pan, and that should be fine. Or you can go with a larger one if you plan on doing a couple of oil changes before you dispose of the oil. All right, so let's get to it. That's gonna get messy, I know that. Oh, it's on there tight. The hell did my oil change? Damn. King Kong? Shit. That was my favorite part. I mean, least favorite, where it's gonna like blast out and then the bolt's gonna go flying. Hopefully I can get the bolt. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, and let's put that bolt right there for now. Oh, look at all that. All right, so just to kind of give you a better look, that's where your oil, that's where the bolt is, and there's your oil filter right there. And this is on the passenger side, so right there. So once that gets finished draining, I'll just pull that off. Matter of fact, I'll just do that right now. So now you need to get to your replacement filter right here, and then make sure you put it just goes right back on there. See?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I hope that was helpful for some of you guys. I can't wait to see you out there. Peace.